Hello and welcome everyone to this video tutorial. My name is Kumar Saurabh and today we are going to learn how to backup PostgreSQL database using two powerful tools, pgdump and pgdumpall. I will be guiding through the process step by step. Before we start, let me introduce you to pgdump. pgdump is a PostgreSQL utility that allows you to create logical backups of individual databases. It's a versatile tool that can be used to backup a specific databases with their schemas, data and other settings. Now let's see how to create a backup of a specific database using pgdump. Here is the basic syntax. pgdump. This is the command for the pgdump utility. -u Postgres. Use this PostgreSQL default superuser Postgres to perform the backup. It can be any superuser of PostgreSQL. The superuser has the necessary privilege to access all databases. -d database name. Specify the name of database you want to backup. In this case, we use the name of database you want to backup. Example, my database, employees, and etc. /backup.sql. Use the greater than symbol to redirect the output of the backup to a file named backup.sql located in the specified path. You can choose the path according to your preference. Now let's perform backup. For example, you want to backup a database named employees info and you would execute this statement. And this command will create a backup of the employees info database using a pgdump and the output will be saved in the file backup.sql located in the D drive of database directory. After executing the code, let's visit the location and see the backup file. As you can see, we have successfully created the backup of a database employees info. Moving on, let me introduce you to pgdumpall. Unlike pgdump, pgdumpall allows you to create logical backups of all database in PostgreSQL cluster, including roles and global objects. Let's see how to use pgdumpall to backup all databases in your PostgreSQL cluster. The basic syntax is as follows. pgdumpall. This is the command for the pgdump utility. -u Postgres. Use the PostgreSQL default superuser Postgres to perform the backup. It can be any superuser of a PostgreSQL. The superuser has the necessary privileges to access all databases. /backup.sql. Use the greater than symbol to redirect the output of the backup to a file named backup.sql. You can specify your desired file name. This file name located in the specified path. In this case, the file will contain the backup of all database in the PostgreSQL cluster. Let's perform the full cluster backup and you would execute this statement. This command will create a backup of all database in PostgreSQL cluster using a pgdumpall. The output will be saved in the file allbackup.sql located in the D drive of database directory. To verify, let's open the database directory in the D drive, and as you can see, you have successfully created the backup of all the database on a PostgreSQL server. That's it for our tutorial on how to backup PostgreSQL database using pgdump and pgdumpall. Backing up your databases regularly is crucial to prevent data loss and recover your data in any case of issues. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thank you.